Alright guys, so today we're dealing with the fuel pump on Walter's jet ski. I do want to finish this guy. I always keep one of these guys in stock. This is a fuel pump, aftermarket fuel pump that will drop right in the fuel assembly. Now, this jet ski's been here for over a year with pump gas. So I'm really curious to see if the fuel pump still works. It has gas. Apparently, when it's low on gas and the fuel pump is exposed to air, that's when you have issues. This one is submerged in gas, so I expect to be good. Now, Walter told me since this jet ski was completely done, it's like a stage 3, but it only lasted like an hour because it blew up, and then I got it. Supposed to have an aftermarket fuel pump. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know what it has. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the fuel out since we don't want that fuel. We're going to put it in here. There is nothing is on. There's no computer. There's no battery. So what I did was I got from an old harness, I got the connector for the fuel pump, and I just put it some wires and put it on a battery. And we are going to give some power to this fuel pump and see what we got. Let's see. It's in there. Let's connect the power. Let's see. We got a little bit of spark. Oh, there you go. Something. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Here it is. The ultimate test. Let's smell the fuel. Oh yeah, woohoo! It smells old. It's pretty bad. All right, so I'm glad I'm taking all the fuel out. We need to take all the fuel out because if it has a little bit of water, it's gonna mess up our tune later. So I'm gonna take all the fuel out and then we'll taking the fuel assembly out and inspecting. See if we really have an aftermarket fuel pump. Let's see what happened. All right, took the fuel pump out, and as I suspect, it has a stock fuel pump. Taking that out, and we are putting the 340 AM pump right here. So that's what we're gonna do. So now he's gonna have plenty of fuel. Now we have to put a relay because this pump sucks a lot of juice, and the wires are way too small on the SeaDoo, and they don't really have a relay from factory. I think Yamaha does. Not sure. I don't know much about Yamahas, but anyway, we got to put a relay, put this pump on, and then we're cooking, baby. We're cooking, baby. Let's see what happened. All right, old pump is out. New pump is in, just like factory, and we are putting this baby back in. All right, guys, so we got the injectors back. I had the injectors clean, and there's a local speed shop here called Habit Speed, and they do a great job. They give you a graphic and everything. Of course, I threw away all the stuff already, so can show you. The next time I'll show you guys the graphic. It's pretty cool. They give you a graphic before and a graphic after, and you can see the numbers, how it wasn't flowing, or if it was flowing, or whatever it is. So next time I'll show you guys. Anyway, we got them back. Here they are. I changed this thing. I think his were silver, so I just gave him some black ones. They look better, I think. So it looks a lot better black. We're gonna install this. We're gonna put all the bolts on the intake and see if we can get it to Brian today, because Brian's the one that has the relay, and I'm lazy, so I don't want to wait. So we're gonna go to Brian's house and get the relay installed. All right, so we got the fuel rail installed. he did it in a different way. I mean, I got the jet ski like this. He made his own bracket and he put the fuel regulator here. I think it's a great idea. I like it. I always put it here. I make 2 holes and I make a bracket and I put it right about there. This is not bad as long as it doesn't hit the seat. I don't think it hits the seat. I mean, it doesn't look like it has any marking, and the seat doesn't have any markings. So I think he did a good job with that. Putting all these wires. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a zip tie right to the fuel rail. I don't want it to be on the way, and just make sure that nothing moves. And right now I'm putting this guy on. Took the throttle body off. It's just easier to get this sensor, the one on the block, the oil temperature sensor, and get that in. Get the oil pressure sensor in. Make sure that you have all your little gaskets, because that makes a big difference on the wire harness lasting you a long time. A lot of people lose this little gaskets and they don't pay attention to that, and you should. All of them, they should be good. Sometimes they get swollen and big, or sometimes they're broken. You gotta replace them. And we're pretty much ready. I mean, it got zip tied and everything, so nothing moves and rattle and cuts itself rubbing against something. And we are almost ready.
2,000 years later.
All right, so I've been working on Walter's jet ski. Putting the oil, filling up the engine with oil, got the filter, pretty much finished it. Got the last hose on it, got the intake on it. Since Walter gave me free range and say, do whatever you want, do it your way, you're gonna be working on this jet ski, and this jet ski is gonna be pretty fast. So he's gonna be back from maintenance and all that stuff, so I did it my way. And one of the things I did was the catch can. Instead of putting it all the way over here, that I feel like it's on the way to, for many reasons, to get to the battery, to get to the fuses, or whatever you gotta do here is always on the way. So I put it here. It's out of the way, and I like it better there. And got the intake on, the Riva intake, with great intake. And it's pretty much done. I ran out of relays, so I'm always, why is that? I always run out of relays, so I always gotta go to Brian. So tomorrow we're going to Brian and see what he's up to. Let's go snoop around and get a relay from him, install it, and I think this guy's gonna be running tomorrow. And we're gonna tune it a little bit and see what numbers we get. Let's see what happened. All right, here comes the moment of the truth. I'm actually pretty much done. My goal right now is to spin the motor, make sure everything is good. It's probably gonna give out a fuel sensor or something, because I don't have the fuel pump connected. The tank is empty, so I don't want the fuel pump to be running. So let's see after a year and 3 months if we have other issues. Let's see. Oh my god, yeah, just like a brand new jet ski. Oh, see, I told you guys. See how it flashes? Because it's not connected. Basically now what I'm looking for is if the motor spins. Oh, perfect. That little ticking sound is I put my cam, and now the rockers need to adjust. So once the jet ski, the motor starts, it'll get a lot of oil to all the lifters, and they will grow or whatever they do, and the ticking sound goes away. It's pretty cool. Every time I start a cam and there's a customer next to me, I say, listen to this, and you start the motor, and it goes away. So it's just, you know, mechanics. Yeah, so we're good. everything is on, and tomorrow we go to Brian's and snoop around over there and see what he's up to. Go bother Brian. I love Brian. I love bothering Brian. So let's go tomorrow and bother Brian.
24 hours later.
All right, so we just got here to Brian's. I unload the jet ski. We're already set up. Come over here, and there he is, the man. Oh, the world fastest jet ski right here. Look at this. Nice. Your gas measuring gauge is these two here, and then this purple and this lighter one are your power. And then because this is European, you know, this color is always going to be negative and this one's going to be the positive. So we're going to cut it around here so we got some room, and then we make the whole enchilada. It's a whole bunch of wires, and then you put tape and it'll make it better. And that's it. That will be it for today, and then we have to go and get it basically go to the water and see where we need to tweak the fuel regulator a little bit here and there, and we'll be done. All right, so we found some surprises here. Like you guys know, the jet ski was done by a shop. I don't understand why they cut all of them. That's weird. I wonder if they didn't know what they were doing and they just cut it and say, oh, whoops, it's not this one, it's this one.
It's very possible. Won't be the first time we see it.
Oh my god, this jet ski, it keeps surprising me. Look at this. Yeah, you're only supposed to cut the two big ones, the two thick ones. This is the fuel pump and this is your gauge. That is so weird. What do you got to say about that, man? All right, so I just realized something. I didn't put any gas. So now I gotta go get gas so we can start this thing up. Okay, so the question is, why is Brian doing my relay? I like coming over here. I can do my own relay. It doesn't come out as nice as his. He takes his time. He put little black wires and little things everywhere. He just, you know, he likes doing that stuff. And I like messing with him. And then
I like working on CeaDoo.
and then we get to snoop around and see what he got going on. Look, he got a jet ski here upside down. And it's purple. Ooh, that's nice. What else we got? Oh, we got an engine there. Wait, that's your engine.
Yeah.
Ah. It's nice. It's nice coming over here. You doing barbecue?
Barbecue?
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna go get some cinnamon buns.
Some Applebee's.
There he goes, the diet.
Some Applebee's.
Some Applebee's and that. Yin yang is what all you motherfuckers do.
Nyang yang. Nyang yang.
No,
Why
not
can I say nyang yang?
Not yang yang. It's yin yang.
That's
Yin yang.
It's just too much.
So you guys all are. You're all a bunch of yin yangers.
Nyang yang. Nyang yang. Nyang yang yang.
Fucking in the chats and shit.
Oh, the chats. Keyboard masters.
Keyboard warriors.
Warriors.
Yeah.
Yes.
Keyboard
There's a
warriors.
lot of those.
They got mad horsepower on those keyboards. Full of horsepower.
You like me. You don't even go on the internet.
Fuck that. Ain't nobody got time for that. We go fast.
We go fast.
We go fast. Internet don't make you fast.
No. Only on the keyboard.
Internet makes you look stupid.
Yeah, me and Brian, we got the same idea. You know what? We prove it when we go to the races. There you go. There's the results. Nah, keyboard warriors. Look at this. You know you're fast when you got a sock or something on your pump. The world fastest jet ski. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this beauty. Look at the stock tank. Isn't that nice? Look at that exhaust. Holy crap. And then we got Junior here. This is Rigo ski. Look at the little pipe. No, this ski is fast. Here's the man, Mr. Brian. Brian, you call?
Yep.
It's only like 70 degrees.
No. Liar.
50 to 50 something.
56.
If it was 70 degrees, I'd be at the lake riding. Working on this shit.
What do we got going on? Brian's like me. He's a little messy. But hey, this is where great things come out, right?
Simple garage.
Yep. Got an engine here. Got a jet ski on the side. Oh wait, it's half a jet ski. Never mind. A whole bunch of brand new heads. We're doing inventory, Brian.
Yeah.
So Manny was making fun of me and said, hey, why don't you do your own relay? Well, Brian just does it better. He's fancy. He uses all this little stuff that I don't have. Plus, I like coming over here and bothering Brian. Oh, what was that? He spoke. It's always fun, and then you guys can come and snoop around on Brian's garage.
Looks like factory.
Oh yeah.
Looks like we're gonna
Look at that. I thought you wanted to start it. Oh, I forgot the coils.
And the spark plugs.
He's like, I thought you wanted to start it. I forgot the coils and the spark plugs and all this stuff.
I got no compression.
He still says slow on gas. All right, I guess we'll ride tomorrow.